Hello, it's Friday the 12th. I'm FxPlew and this is the market brief. And it's my buddy's birthday today, so happy birthday, Big Nose. Have a nice day. Anyway, Starmer will face his first major dilemma when he's back from the NATO summit. That's because some backbenchers are planning a rebellion over the two-child limit on benefits. Starmer has said that he does agree with the idea, but for right now, it is unaffordable. That old chestnut. The latest IMF review rated UK growth prospects as subdued. This is due to an ageing population and is coupled with a high number of long-term sick and also those who have not returned to work since the pandemic. They predict 1.3% growth this year, which is just below the forecast from the Office for Budget Responsibility. Sadly, not quite the substantial growth that Rachel Reeves needs if she's to stabilise debt while avoiding more tax or public spending cuts. Over in the US, the Fed remains under pressure to cut rates. Fears of an economic slowdown and cooling employment conditions were coupled with a little deflation yesterday as the headline inflation dropped to 3%. Core inflation dropped 0.1% to 3.3% too. We have producer price data out today and forecasts put those factory gate prices 0.1% higher in June. A step up to 2.3% will concern the Fed as this data is a leading indicator for future inflationary pressure. And any rate cut, of course, will always run the risk of reigniting higher prices. Nevertheless, we saw the dollar driven by the prospect of a rate cut and the dollar index fell to close to 104. Sterling rallied to 129.20 against the dollar and touched 118.90 against the euro. Go on the pound. This may be short-lived though because the MPC is under pressure to cut rates in the UK, but for now we open around 129.10 against the dollar, 118.80 against the euro, and euro dollar is around 108.70 on the open this morning. And that's it from me, capping off another week. Thank you very much for joining me again. Have a great weekend. Join me again on Monday. All the best.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.